Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing the monthly Simply Earth recipe box for the month of May. Today is May 1st, so I've been seeing all of the Justin Timberlake memes and all of that goodness. And May is usually such a great month because it's when the weather is finally warmer here in Michigan. It's this whole week, and like the next outlook of the forecast is cold, like even to 50 degrees some days. So it's a little depressing, but we still made it to May. No more snow, hopefully. We have that going. But this is the May recipe box from Simply Earth. If you are not familiar with them, they are an essential oil company that we've used for a few years. I share this box every month because it's such a great deal. They have really great quality essential oils and they're really into education. So as an aromatherapist, that's something that I really appreciate because essential oils are not complicated, but there are things that you need to know. And if you're like, I don't feel like learning all of those things or remembering, I don't want to remember all those things, they do all the brain work for you and give you the dilution rates and how to use each essential oil. Is some safety about each one each month. So I really love that. The theme this month is Good Hair Day recipe box. That's exciting. So we're gonna have 6 recipe cards in here and then some ingredients to make some of the things. When you become a subscriber, your first box will come with a lot more you will get solid coconut oil, a fractionated coconut oil, which is just liquid version. Get almond oil, some beeswax pellets, just different things you'll need to make recipes. And then you'll get one every 6 months after that. So you will have some of the things in that box that you'll need as well. But there are 6 recipes in here. I always like to share the value too. So this value is $69.92, and then each month the box is $49.99. With my code, which I will have on the screen and down below, you get a $45 gift card to use on future purchases. So this month I'll just share the oils first and then get into the recipes. I do give away essential oils every on my email list. That's also down below to subscribe. Get in abundance. We just have a ton of essential oils and I don't want to have more than I can use, basically, and I like to give back. So lots of giveaways each week on my email list. This is Bay Essential Oil. So this is going to be bay leaf. It's from the leaf, sweet and herbal. The scientific name is Laurus nobilis, and this one is from CRETE. I don't even know where that is. Next one is Howood. This is an essential oil. I feel like we've gotten quite a bit in the last couple years, but this one is Cinnamomum camphora Howood essential oil. Another thing that I like to point out always is this is their Simply Pure promise on each bottle. When it's a single essential oil, it will have that. Let me see. Okay, it does have it on the blend too. Anyways, this number, you can go and look up batch numbers to make sure, share all of their test results, the reports, and just transparency with that. I really appreciate. It's a blend, so this is called Lady's Choice. And again, I've had this essential oil. I think clary sage is a main oil in here. Yeah, sage, geranium, marjoram, and lavender. It's an essential oil blend that I roll all over my stomach at certain times a month. It's really great for period cramps, but also clary sage is good for balancing, geranium as well, and lavender. So they all work together and work well for PMS symptoms, but also it smells amazing. It's very floral and kind of a perfumey type of blend, so I really like Lady's Choice. Then lastly, we're getting lemongrass, which if you follow or if you watch my videos a lot, you don't like lemongrass. It is dare I say it's growing on me, but it's just never been one of my favorites. This and citronella are just like, give me, they're just off-putting. So this one is uses on here and also Latin name. Whatever essential oil company or brand you're using, on the bottle needs to have the Latin scientific name on it. That makes sure what's in the bottle is actually in the bottle. Some companies will dilute their essential oils, especially in blends, a coconut oil or a carrier to make it just ready to use, which is fine, but it needs to be on the bottle. So this one is not. This is straight essential oil, so you need to dilute this one before using. But just check your labels, make sure that info is on there. And then also, I was talking about safety earlier. I don't know if you can see, it says child safe 10 plus. So they'll also include safety information in the box, but on the bottles, lots of information. Okay, Oops. Okay, so 6 recipes are Knot Away Spray. So KNOT, not. It's gonna be great. I have 2 girls. One of them gets the tangliest hair after when he wakes up in the morning. Like, what do you do in your sleep? But this is like a tangle spray. Rooted Bloom Diffuser Blend. So you will get things you'll need to make this in your big bonus box. You'll get empty bottles like this, but they're empty so that you can make a diffuser blend. Silky Strands Hair Mask. Big fan of hair masks. I like to use them once a week, usually on Sundays. Just kind of that extra boost you need. But this one is, conditioning emulsifier. Where is that? Okay, so we're using this, which comes in the box. We are using almond oil, which will be in your big bonus box. Hydrolyzed rice protein, which is in this little bottle. Lady's Choice Essential Oil, Bay Essential Oil, and then you're going to need a jar from home, and then you're gonna add water too. And then when you're adding water to any recipe, you can use it as is, and the shelf life will just be about a month or less. But if you add, they also have available, sometimes will come in boxes, preservative. It's called GeoGuard ECT. If you add that, all the info's on here, then you will extend your shelf life. It is just a preservative for when you're using water in products. Grace and Glow Roll-On, you'll get empty rollers to use. So this one is going to be Lady's Choice Howood Lemongrass in a roller bottle. So you're making kind of be good for period cramps. Lemongrass, I would probably just leave that out just because personal preference, but you can also use that as like a perfume roller too. Clean Slate Mini Shampoo Bar. We've made mini shampoo bars, shampoo and conditioner bars. They have an entire kit to make a bunch of them, like in bulk. So I've done this one before. You're basically gonna warm some ingredients together, take it off, put it in a mold, and let it solidify in a mold. And it's just like a good for travel shampoo bar. And really it's just such a good sustainable option too, shampoo and conditioner bars. It's hard for me to do that regularly just because I have so much hair and it takes just a lot more time and work, I would say, but it's good for travel or just like sweat up, but I don't do that regularly. Revive and Rinse Dry Shampoo. Okay, so we are making a dry shampoo. You're using bay and Howood, and then from home you'll need arrowroot or cornstarch, rose, kale, and clay, which have come in boxes before, so I do have some of that extra just sitting in my, and then a pinch of pigment powder if you want, so that you can match your hair color, which pigment powders have come, they also have them on their website available, and then a jar. So I actually have like a spray bottle for powders, which I make my own dry shampoo in. So those are on Amazon, I can link that down below. But you can just put it in a jar or some sort of shaker container, even like a salt shaker, to kind of out the dry shampoo. And I do like a powdery dry shampoo versus a spray sometimes. I kind of back and forth, but I do like that. We'll definitely make that. Let's see, I got all the ingredients, and then the left is the stickers. So you'll get these to label everything each month. So you can just take these little stickers and put on the top of your bottle if you're storing them like in a drawer or something like that. It's nice. And then all the other labels will be for everything else you make. This also is included. So, they have a new diffuser, so that like just different things will be on here. So there is a new diffuser, which is a nebulizer diffuser. So no water is needed. You just put, you'll just like in the entire essential oil bottle. It's just a cool, different diffuser to have. I'm excited they're coming out with one. And then introducing all-in-one hair care kit. So they have another new kit. So they have a monthly recipe box, and then they have tons of different kits on their website. And I share those sometimes when they come out as well. But they're always making videos and just continuing education with things. There's a QR code to go to their free hair care guide, which is cool. Have tons of info. And it's a fun company, and they have great quality and great prices, so we love them. That is the May box. Let me know if you have any questions. The link to shop will be down below, and the coupon code will be here and down below as well, so make sure you get your $45 gift card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.